Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be playing Battle Cats. As you can tell, I've already completed some of it. If you're an OG, you remember. I love that. Right. Oh, do I have 30? No, I don't. Why do I have 6? Can't do anything. How to restore energy, bro? 222 minutes until 4. Oh, no things that give you leadership. Let's go over to them. Legend stages. Where's the ones that drop rewards? We need leadership. Rich cat. I don't care about rich cat right now. Tag arena. Tag arena challenge. Deploy catch 2. I can't do anything. I know one. Cat claw. Portal in into leaves. Can't do that. I'll do cat CPU and speed up. You guys can literally see my loadout. This is my loadout at the bottom. I don't know why I've got baby cat, bro. I've got baby cat, bro. I'm gonna get a copyright for this music now. Bro, just let me! I won't turn the music down. There you go. Easy win, bro. What? Oh my god. What was that? You're not eating the cats today, man. You know who isn't weak? The 3,930 person, which is literally Earth, bro. Oh god, they got elephants now. Win, bro. This dude, we need that dude. These dudes are OP, bro. The ones that do the red spike. He's OP. I'm gonna keep him get one. Oh, now we need reds. Is he invincible to red? No. He is. We will go for him. I've got 56 seconds right now. Oh no, you don't. Cat, bro. I'm gonna get a bunch of the little cats and just make an army of them. The cats are invincible. No thanks. Ancient Jurassic Park cat, thank you. We're destroying it! No! I'm gonna save. Got an idea. He's gonna kill him, isn't he? No. Nope, he's still invincible, bro. Yeah. Oh, but he got fat queso. Doesn't queso. Wait, I'm gonna let the thing fire. Yeah. Trial complete, new record. Thank you so much. Wait, have I still got my... Yeah, I still got 6 energy. Rank up test number 3. Wait! Escape! Ow! I'll click the speed up. My money is literally skyrocketing right now. Just cat. I've just got a baby cat on the... Oh no! You kill cat, you mess with Jurassic Park cats. We're gonna get an army, bro. We're gonna keep on leveling up. Whoa! Oh no, I'm so scared of a seal, bro. Guess what? I've got one of them as well, but a shark. I call him Baby Shark. Get destroyed! Yeah, I passed. I got... Yeah! I got flipping cat food now. We can we get any of these special cats? Since literally, if we go over to my cats, literally look, I literally do not have any of these. I'm broke. Yeah. Didn't I get a bunch of cat tickets so I can go over to Empire Cats? I can tell them up. I know. I got 10 cat capsules, bro. 10 times. Let's go gambling. You can see this? Yes! Use. Change to XP. I don't want any cats. I already have the upgraded versions of them though. Yeah, we'll use research. More health, get in. I don't care about Axe Cat. I don't care about Tank Cat. Yes, bro. I definitely need to study. Wallet. Oh my god, I got legendary wallet, bro. I need wallet. So I can get some more worker cat wallet. More income. But base defense again, bro? Be serious. I'm rich, bro. I don't know what to do. Oh, cat combo list. There's ain't cat combo list. I think we can buy here. I'm going to buy Guatemala catnip. Is it Gamma? Yes, Gamma Alto. It's not Guatemala. Yeah. Oh my god, alright. Let's go. Alright, so we've got you being serious, 1,000 health. I may escape real quick. Yeah, I need to escape since I need to literally do you know what it's called? Do the here. He needs to be out. I need to replace him with like Ninja Foot Cat. Yeah, they're probably. He's okay. I bet. Quick, bro. I'm here. There we are. Here we are, we can get him out. Yeah, I'm gonna win with 1 unit, I'll bet you that right now. If I don't, I'm still gonna win. Okay. Or if I just win since he's immune to a red one. Just kill them. Oh god. Oh god, there's defense. Bye bye. Double knockback, bro. I got dragon, bro. What are you gonna do about it? Da, 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 da. Bro, I could just use the dragon to just win it, I think. Your device may have been altered. Energy will not recover for a short time. Dun, 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 dun. Wait. Oh no, it's too strong. I need to use cat god. Hello, god. Does he have different voice lines? That's as you call me. I'm god. But if I just don't use anything, I just keep on using the infinite bait, bro. I bet you right now I'm gonna lose. I wanna lose this time. I will win, don't worry. Boom. They're pretty well scared right now. Oh, let me just clear the path. Wait until this is my best ones in the battle there. My favourite character is there. This one over is my favourite. He's really okay. We won before we even get there, bro. I don't care about a new cat since I'm probably not gonna have enough for him. Like Mister. Should I actually buy it? No, should I buy like 180 copies? No. How much can I say? Evolve adult cat devil turn. Activate that energy drink. Wait, no. Oh god. I want to beat the moon. No, I've already beaten. Look, I've already beaten all of them. cat. I'm just gonna keep on calling, kill the head, and then just win. It's the easiest thing to do. And again. Mr. Dragon. And Godzilla. Ultimate cat row. Bye bye floating head. Bang! Everyone strike, bro. Bro literally just goes and eats. Bro literally eats them to get stronger. Slap. Imagine getting slapped by a fat. I'll just say an OP cat. Bro has immune to knockback, bro. If you can eat people, see a floating head. If you can eat people, then why can't I use my ultimate weapon? Kaboom! Kaboom, bro! But all cats assemble! We're gonna beat the moon together! This is my first gameplay of the moon right now. We're gonna beat the moon together, bro. You kill them too, they're just back in it now. You're messing with the cats, man. I bet that front head's about done, right? They just instantly die because of the earth, bro. That thing that just turns into Kato and then just shrinks. We killed him! Assemble! Bro, imagine you're that side with the floating head and you're just seeing all the cats. Yeah, bro. Let's have to win. Blah, blah, blah. I'm tired as hell. I'm on the pool. These chapter 2 bosses is really hard for some reason. Oh, I'm gonna go to bed. I just did that since I was lazy. I'm not going to do anything, I'm just going to continue uploading. I'm going to lose. La da la da da da. Once I win this level, I'm going to end the video since I'm getting tired. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye.